how to remove and add background to video in CapCut PC. So if you want to remove and add background to your video in your CapCut PC, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, now you just need to simply go with Create Project, go with Import, which is on the upper left, and then choose a video that you would like to remove background. Once you choose the video, now you just need to simply select the video by clicking on it and go with the video section, which is here on the upper right, and go with remove BG, which is remove background. And if you have a green screen, then you can simply go with the chroma key and then you can remove the green screen and you can remove the background. But if you don't have a green screen, then you just need to simply go with the auto removal. Once you go with auto removal, then it will automatically remove or cut out the background of the video. And once the background has been removed, in my case I have removed BG, right? But in your case you may have cutout option. You can simply go with cutout, which is the same thing. And once you've cut out, now you need to go with basic, which is here, and then scroll all the way down and you will find an option of canvas. So you just need to simply enable the canvas option, enlarge that, and you can simply go with none. And here you can go with blur, color, or pattern. You can simply go with color to add a background color. You can go with the custom color, or you can go with an existing color. You can simply choose the color and your background will be added. Or you can also go with the pattern, where you will have all of these patterns. You can simply download the pattern and it will be added. So that's how you can remove and add a background to the video in your CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.